Welcome to Premium Kashmir, your one-stop shop for the best organic skincare products that nature has to offer. We create and deliver our products globally, bridging the gap between local producers and consumers. We're dedicated to showcasing the traditional beauty secrets of Kashmir. We're proud to have been recognized as one of the leading organic skincare brands in Bangladesh, 2022 feat by Mirror magazine. For inquiries, please contact us at care@premiumkashmir.com. Pamper yourself with our premium organic skincare products and discover the beauty secrets of Kashmir. Our extensive product range includes handmade organic soaps, face and body creams, serums, and more. Premium Kashmir, the science of Kashmiri beauty.